This creamy, crunchy coleslaw is going to be the best you've ever tasted. We're gonna start out this coleslaw recipe with green cabbage. I'm just gonna cut this into quarters. I'm just gonna take out the core, which is at the bottom here. Just cut it on a diagonal. Next, we're gonna cut each of these into half. For our coleslaw, we're gonna cut the cabbage into thin strips, and for that, we're gonna be showing you how to do it with a mandolin or simply just with a knife. We're just gonna chop this down a little bit more so that it's easy to eat. Now you can also use a knife. We're gonna slice it up fine and chop it down into smaller pieces. We've chopped half a cabbage and let's add this to a bowl. Another key ingredient for every coleslaw is carrot. So we're gonna be going in with 1 whole carrot. Just gonna cut off the ends, and we've already peeled the carrot. We're also just gonna cut it along the length into the size of carrot sticks that we want. So I'm going in with approximately about 2 inches. We're once again gonna use our mandolin to julienne this carrot perfectly. And there we've got perfectly julienned carrots. Let's add the carrot to the bowl along with the cabbage. To that we'll add just 1/4 of a sweet onion. Let's mince this down really fine, or you could even grate it if you wanted. Let's add this to the bowl. For a traditional coleslaw, you would stop here with the veggies and add in your dressing and mix it up. But for a little bit of a fall twist, we're gonna be going in with 1 apple to start off. So I'm just gonna cut the apple and core it. Once again, we're gonna julienne the apples using the mandolin, but you can also just go in with a cheese grater. And look at that, we've got perfect little apple sticks. Let's toss in the apples. For another touch of fall, we're gonna go in with 1/3 cup of dried cranberries. Let's finish this off with a little bit of crunch. We're gonna go in with 1/4 cup of almonds, which are roughly sliced. Now let's make this delicious creamy dressing for our coleslaw salad. We're gonna start with 1 cup of a creamy mayo. To lighten it up, we're gonna go in with 1/2 cup of sour cream. If you wanted, you could go in with all mayo. We're gonna eyeball about 1/2 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and that's going to give the dressing a nice zing. To that, we're gonna add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And to balance things off, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar and some freshly ground black pepper. Let's give it a mix and let all the flavors combine. Since the mayo is a little bit salty, we'll add salt once we taste the salad. Let's give this a mix. Now let's give this a taste to see whether we need to season it anymore. I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. Let's pop on a plastic wrap and toss this in the refrigerator for a couple of hours to overnight. And that's going to help the cabbage and the carrots to absorb all the lovely flavors from the dressing. Let's go. Hey, and before we go, if you're new to our channel or haven't subscribed already, subscribe. And if you hit on that bell icon, you'll get a notification every time we upload new videos. And follow us on social media. We're on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. All the information is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See ya! Shall we give this a taste? Absolutely. Wow, it's so creamy. I know. Mmm.